If you're seeing the unusual activity error on Chatgpt, don't panic. This usually means the system has flagged something unusual about your connection, but in most cases, it's easy to fix. Let's go step by step. First, try switching platforms. If you're using the mobile app, open Chatgpt in a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari by going to chat.openai.com. Sometimes the app itself can glitch or misread your activity. On the other hand, if you're already on a browser, try switching to a different one. Some browsers handle Chatgpt better than others, especially if you have lots of extensions or add-ons running that might interfere with the page. Next, check your VPN or proxy settings. While these tools are useful for privacy, they can make it look like your traffic is coming from a suspicious or unusual location. That's often enough to trigger the unusual activity error. Simply turning off your VPN or proxy and refreshing the page can solve the problem immediately. Another thing to try is logging out of your Chatgpt account entirely. Close the browser or app completely, then sign back in. This resets your session and clears temporary data that might be causing conflicts. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies, which often fixes small glitches that build up over time. Sometimes the error isn't about your settings at all. If you've tried logging in too many times in a short period or refreshed the page repeatedly, Chatgpt might temporarily block access. In this case, patience is key. Waiting anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour usually resolves the issue automatically. It's also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable. Unstable or intermittent connections can sometimes trigger security checks that flag unusual activity. And while you're at it, make sure your browser and app are up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes cause errors too. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and still see the error, you can reach out to OpenAI's support. Explain exactly what's happening and include screenshots if possible. Most issues are minor and can be resolved quickly. By following these steps, switching browsers or platforms, disabling VPNs, logging out and back in, clearing cache, checking your internet, and waiting it out, you should be able to get back to using Chatgpt without interruptions. It might take a few minutes, but these fixes solve the problem in almost every case.